Okay, so now let's find the greatest common factor of 450 and 420, because now what we're going to do is we're going to do all the odd numbered questions. Okay, so I would have probably divided this like by 5 to start off with. So this is 5 and 90, 3 and 30, 3 and 10, 2 and 5. Okay. I would have probably also divided this by 5 to start off with. So that would have been 84, and then 2 and 42, 2 and 21, and 3 and 7. So now I would have had a common 2 and 5 and a common 3. So that is a common 30 that can be factored out. Okay? Okay, so now this is going to be a greatest common factor of 3 that comes out first. So then 3, and then x minus 3, and x plus 3, because this is the difference of squares. And then this one is going to be a bottoms up question. So this is going to be 30 in the top, and then 25 times 9, 5, 4, 18. 225 in the bottom. 225 is a perfect square. It is 15 and 15, which happens to also add up to be 30. So this is a plus 15 over 25, and a plus 15 over 25, which is the same exact thing. So this is a plus 3 over 5, a plus 3 over 5. So this is 5a plus 3, and 5a plus 3. So 5a plus 3, the quantity squared. Okay, 7. So this is a squared minus 9 and a squared plus 9. So then this is a minus 3 and a plus 3 and a squared plus 9, because the first one factors to a difference of squares. A minus 3, a plus 3, and an a squared plus 9. Okay, and then this has a common factor of 2, so that I could pull a 2 out. I'm left with 9a squared minus 25b squared, and then that factors to a difference of squares. So 3a minus 5b and 3a plus 5b. So 2 times 3a minus 5b and 3a plus 5b. Sorry if you hear my kids screaming in the background. I have allowed them to play with slime in the garage with the door open while I can hear them. And since they are obviously not quiet, I know that they're okay since they're screaming at the top of their lungs. Okay. That's just the way the world works. When they're quiet, then there's a problem that I would have to go look for. Okay. So 20 here, and then a 100 on the bottom. So this is negative 10 and negative 10. So this is a bottoms up question. So this is a minus 10 over 4b and a minus 10 over 4b. So then I reduce. So a minus 5 over 2b and a minus 5 over 2b. And then the 2 comes to the top. So 2a minus 5b and a 2a minus 5b. Which makes a 2a minus 5b, the quantity squared. Okay, this is a perfect square, so this is x squared minus 16 and an x squared plus 16. And then the first one factors again to x minus 4, x plus 4, and an x squared plus 16. So x minus 4, x plus 4, and an x squared plus 16. And then this has a common factor of 5, so I'm left with an n squared minus 4. So this is 5 times n minus 2, n plus 2. So 5, n minus 2, n plus 2. 15. 17. They're all divisible by 2. 2. So let's pull a 2 out. So I'm left with a 4x squared minus 12xy plus 9y squared. Looking like a perfect square. Still looking like a bottoms up question. We're going to put the negative 12 on the top, and we're going to put a 36 on the bottom. So that's a negative 6 and a negative 6. So I have a 2. X minus 6 over 4y. X minus 6 over 4y. My X got all wonky. I reduce, so 2 times X minus 3 over 2y. X minus 3 over 2y. What's in the bottom goes to the top. So this is 2 times 2x minus 3y and 2x minus 3y, which is a 2 times 2x minus 3y, the quantity squared. Okay, 19. I don't think we have a oh yeah, we do. There's a common factor of 7, and I'm left with a 5y, and then that's 12. So 7 times 5y plus 12. Okay, 19, 21. Just a regular diamond or question, yeah. Negative 2, negative 8, so negative 4 and 2. So this is s minus 4 and s plus 2. And then here, I'm going to factor out a negative, so I'm left with m cubed minus 8. So this is negative m minus 2, m squared plus 2, m plus 4. So negative m minus 2, m squared plus 2, m plus 4. Okay. And I can pull an 8. I can pull an 8 out. I can pull a t to the 4th out. I'm left with a 3p and a plus 2t cubed. Yeah, and that's it. So just the greatest common factor. 2t to the 4th, 3p plus 2t cubed. Okay, 25. 27. Oh boy. I could pull a 5 out, and I'm left with a 25x squared plus 9y squared. And here's the thing, there's no sum of squares, so this is it. So don't factor this out more, because it actually does not factor any more out. If it was subtraction, it would, but don't get confused. There's no addition formula for that. Okay, so 2m plus m cubed plus 27. This is 2m plus 3 m squared minus 3m plus 9. So 2m plus 3 m squared minus 3m plus 9. 29. 31. I can pull an m squared out. I can pull a 3 out. So I can pull a 3m squared out. I'm left with 5m squared and a plus 2n. 3m squared, 5m m squared plus 2n. I anticipate my daughter's freaking out. I think I just heard thunder outside. So we'll wait for impending screaming. Okay, difference of squares, 7a minus 12 and 7a plus 12. Okay, and then a difference of cubes. 4x minus 3, 16x squared plus 4x times 3 plus 9. So then this is 4x minus 3, 16x squared plus 12x plus 9. 37, I don't know how to count, so there's no 37. 39 looks like a factor by grouping. So because there's 4 terms, so pull a 4x out, I'm left with an x minus 4. Pull a 3 out, I'm left with an x minus 4, which is really cool because what's in common between the two is an x minus 4. So x minus 4, and I'm left with a 4x plus 3. So x minus 4 and a 4x plus 3. Okay. 41 looks like a diamond method. So we do the little x. We put the 4 on the top. We put the negative 21 on the bottom. So negative 7 and positive 3. So then this is a minus 7b and a plus 3b. So a minus 7b and, oops, a plus 3b. 41, 43. The area is this, write an expression for the length and the width. So then again, this is the diamond method. So I have negative 11 on the top, 28 on the bottom, so negative 7 and negative 4. So then this is y minus 7 and y minus 4. Oops. So y minus 7 and y minus 4. Okay. And then I can distribute my negative to both terms. So 5d minus 8, and then plus 2d minus 3. So then I have 7d and a minus 11. So 7d minus 11. Okay. I'm going to change this a little bit. 7d minus 11. Okay, 45. 47, I'm going to multiply, so I need the box. Okay, and then that is my daughter's talking about the fact that it's raining outside. So we'll see what's going on. 2x, and then a plus 7, and then x minus 5, and then a 2x squared plus 7x, and a negative 10x, and a negative 35. So this is 2x squared minus 3x minus 35. So 2x squared minus 3x minus 35. And that's it for every odd one.